Right people, so you have asked for it. We have arrived at the Morrisons in Sheerness. I've had about 6 or 7 messages and people are saying, please can you go and check to see what we are getting at the fuel garage. So we have arrived. I'm literally just across the way because I need to get a picture, and then we'll be heading in and we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to fill up 5 litres of fuel in the can, and then we're going to take it back to the workshop and we're going to see whether we're getting 5 litres or whether we're not. Right, so we're going to do the same thing that we did before. We're on the Ray-Ban, so no one can turn around and say that we're using the phones, which has divided opinions within the comments below. Some people are saying, I don't know what you're worried about. Other people are saying that you shouldn't be using your phone, so we won't be doing any of that. We will be literally just pulling in somewhere out the way, grabbing 5 litres, and then we will be out of here. So, right, everyone, let's go and see what we have got. So we can see here, people, it is the same test that we always do. No fuel in the can. Can you see that? We've got nothing in there. Now, we have got, same thing again, E10 fuel. We have got 132.9. We're going to try and get 5 litres in here if we can. So can you see this, people? Look, nothing in there. Can we see that? Right, see if we can do this without spilling it. See if we can stop this without going over the 5 litres. There we go, people. So, let's just make sure that you're happy that there's nothing in there. We'll put that on there. And then we'll seal that up so you can see clearly. Looks good. £6.65, £6.64, 5 litres. We'll put this into here, and then we will go and see what we've got back at the workshop. Right, number one, let's go and pay for this fuel and see whether we've got 5 litres or not. As you can see there, £6.64, 5 litres at £1.32.9. Let's see what it tests as. Right, so we are back from the Morrisons there in Sheerness. We have got our sample size of 5 litres. It looks about the same as what we normally see on these cans. We are going to quickly test the temperature of the fuel. We have removed the scales. People keep messaging me about why we removed the scales. Now, fuel is sold on volume, not on weight. Fuel is blended, ethanol content is different, therefore the weight varies. So, just now we've cleared that up, let's quickly measure the temperature of the fuel. So let's quickly see what we have got. We have got 10 degrees. So 10 degrees, they reckon that the fuel comes out of the pump at 15. So we will see, but we will be using our trusty 5 litre jug. We will be using the torch as backlight. So I'm going to quickly grab the torch. We'll stick it on. You can quickly see on here that we are level on the spirit level. So people know that we are on a level surface. As you can see, we are nice and level. We are going to use the torch as a backlight. Now let's see how close to that 5 litre line we get. And this is Morrisons. We've done everyone else. The only thing we haven't done Sainsbury's, but let's go. What do you reckon? Do you reckon we're going to get to 5? One of the cheapest around still, at sort of 132.9. Let's see what we've got. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Well, pretty much what we expected and we have seen on all of the tests so far. So Morrisons, let's let that level off a minute. I'm just going to shake these last few drips out like I did with the last lot. So let's see how that levels out. But I can safely say it's looking good. Right, can you see that, everybody? You can see clearly there. Look at that. I would say an absolute spot on 5 litres. So another one at 5 litres. Now, people have messaged me saying full throttle, do a small amount on the throttle. Now I've done it both ways. On the last test with the automated pump we did with Tesco's, I was full throttle until it went to 5 litres and then we stopped. Using a jerry can's difficult to go full throttle because we don't want it spilling out. So we have tested both ways and so far we have got the 5 litres that we were after. Now, are we happy with the tests on E10 fuel and do we want to have a look at diesel? So let me know in the comments below, do you want us to test the diesel or would you prefer us testing ethanol content in the fuel? And I would just like to say a massive thank you to everyone. Just before we finish up on this test, we have done 4 or 5 tests now and they've all been fairly accurate. So just want to say a massive thanks to you guys, because without you guys, I can't do these videos. And I'm only doing these videos because you're asking me to do these videos. If you're worried or concerned, I'll go and test it. It's as simple as that. But we have only tested the main supermarkets and the main fuel garages. We haven't tested any of the smaller ones. So if you've got any concerns, let me know. As always, like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next test.